Hi guys, it's Ray. I have just a quick Butterfly Lane Designs unboxing. She did half sheet vinyl mystery packs, so I ordered a 20-piece pack. So I'm just going to show you what I got in there. This is cool. And this one, really pretty florals. Kind of a harlequin looking one. And some sweet little florals, again on a yellow background. And a cow print. I'm sure we can find something fun to do with that. Little celestial one. Really, really cute cactus and floral, succulent type. And some basic diamonds. A fun drawn large flowers, very bright. Some sunflowers on black. We can always use sunflowers. A black glitter and pink damask looking pattern. And the same in purple. It's a different pattern, but similar concept. This one's fun. Ooh, a little half sheet of my favorite color, plaid. A really pretty purple floral. The purple with bees. My very, very favorite bee one. And I do have the full sheet of that. And this one's really pretty. I do have a full sheet of this as well that I had ordered. And I absolutely loved this snowflake one. So I'm glad to have more of that. Just a rainbow. And a faux glitter zebra. So that was it for those. Like I said, it was just real quick. Not sure if she has any of the grab bags left available or not. You'd have to go to the website and look. But all of these patterns are available in full sheets regardless. So, Butterfly Lane Designs. Check it out. There is a link down below. And I will see you next time.